How many sirens we got in the park?
We don't have any in the park. Those are the surrounding areas in the valley that you're hearing.
Oh wow, that's how loud they are.
Oh my god, oh my god. Right next to my house. So loud. It's flooded.
Anybody got a bar of soap? I need a shower.
Wait, what? You need a towel?
No, I said a bar of soap. Soap. I need a towel for later.
Tornadoes started in Six Flags County.
Franklin.
This is where my family is.
I live in the High Ridge area. We're not going to see a tornado in this rain though,
Let's go play. Let's go practice.
until it's too late.
Space on units, AccuWeather. Weather says that we will have high winds, cloud to ground lightning. The tornado threat is to the northeast of us, which is past us.
So it's passing
We
us.
will have embedded lightning and heavy rain, and it will clear in 10 to 30 minutes. Repeating, AccuWeather has us with high winds, cloud to ground lightning. The tornado threat is to our north and is moving to the northeast past us.
So we're getting a downdraft instead of the updraft.
For the next 10 to 30 minutes, and then it will move out of the area and continue with the steady rain for the next couple of hours. Speed is clear at 1820.
Park clear north, solid.
No, there's people in the palace. We got
Okay, but everything else though is clear, right?
up there.
I'm trying to see if we can see a funnel cloud anywhere out of
It's
it.
northeast, so that cloud that you saw that was traveling that way,
Yeah.
that's where that cell was,
Oh wow.
which is fine by me.
I'm not doing no hail.
You know, most of you would think tornado sirens would scare you. I'm not really scared, surprisingly.
Is this the storm you're hoping for?
I'm kind of hoping to see a tornado. My dad said he was before when he was like,
I want to see one, but not up close, of course. I want to see one like in the distance, like 20 miles away. That's funny how that cloud passed us and it went tornado warned immediately. Sirens have been.
Song choice.
Man, those things are loud. I was about to say it's starting to get quiet.
I love her when it's so funny. It's like, yeah, not a big deal. This is the office. We get turned off.
There is an office automated.
Oh, the dispatch.
Oh,
Because you can have it turned on. I've done it before.
what? The music in the park? Yeah, you can, but it's.
Weather has us with a high wind and cloud to ground lightning. The tornado threat is to our northeast now. It's past us. We will have embedded lightning.
This is my first time in my life I've heard sirens in real life. I guess they've got another cell coming in. That's tornado warning. It sounds evil. Those sirens. I could still hear it. What, the tornado? Nah, I can barely hear it. Severe thunderstorm warning. There's another cell coming in. I'm glad I got the hell out of it. Or I've been stuck there all night. Stuck there. Me and Tom's like, screw this, we're going home. Well, they said it was safe enough. I was risking my life because there's a lot of I wait until the storm kind of died down just a little, and then went. I walk because when you run, you I don't hear it no more.